Hi everybody, welcome back to All DIY, No Skills. So this is the aftermath of scalping the lawn. Now you can see we have some spots over here where the mower's sunk in a bit. This is where our core aeration is going to help. It's going to help with the drainage. Our grass looks to be just a little bit longer than an inch. That's okay. Now, the first time you're doing this, it's probably going to seem scary because it looks like you're really messing up your lawn. And you are a little bit. You're putting it under a lot of stress. It's going to look like crap for a little bit, but it's necessary. You see all this thatch? We're going to take that out. Yeah, you see all that? We're going to take that out in the next step. And once we're all done, in about 2 weeks, 3 weeks, once the new grass had a chance to grow, you won't even know that it'll look like this at one point. It's going to look beautiful. Just trust the process, do everything step by step, and go with it. Like I said, 2-3 weeks, once the new grass germinates, you won't even know that the lawn looked like this at one point. All right, so we're gonna go on to the next step, which is gonna be dethatching the lawn. I'll see you in a bit.